Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make wings made of paper. To begin, gather your materials. You'll need a few large sheets of sturdy paper, like poster board, which will form the main structure. Grab a pair of sharp scissors, a ruler, and a pencil for accurate measurements and cuts. Don't forget strong craft glue or a hot glue gun for secure assembly, and any decorations you wish to add. Now let's create the basic wing shape. On your large paper, draw the outline of one wing. Remember to make it symmetrical and consider a wingspan of around 30 to 40 inches for a good visual impact. Carefully cut out this shape, then trace it onto another sheet to create a second identical wing. Finally, fold a small tab about 1 inch wide along the inner edge of each wing. Next, we'll reinforce and add details. To make your wings sturdy, glue cardboard strips along the back, especially where they might bend. You can also add a second layer of paper or fabric for extra durability and texture. Now, let your creativity shine. Use paint, markers, or even glitter to add vibrant colors and intricate designs. Small feathers or ribbons can also enhance the look. For the final step, let's attach and finish your wings. Use strong glue to secure the folded tabs of your wings to a central backplate, perhaps a piece of sturdy cardboard or a simple harness. Make sure the attachment points are very strong to support the wings. Before wearing them, test for balance and comfort. Make any last-minute adjustments to the shape or add any final decorative touches you desire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.